Hello, welcome to this educational video on do you really need scoliosis spine surgery? क्या आपको scoliosis surgery ज़रूरी है या नहीं? Let's try to learn this over the next few minutes. This is Dr. Yogesh Pitwa, spine surgeon, Satvik Spine and Scoliosis Center, Bangalore. So in this video, we are going to try to answer two basic questions. When is the surgery absolutely necessary for scoliosis? कब एकदम ज़रूरी है, उसके बिना और कोई चारा नहीं है. और दूसरा क्वेश्चन, if surgery is not necessary, what are the other treatment options? अगर सर्जरी नहीं ज़रूरी है तो और क्या कर सकते हैं उस प्रॉब्लम के लिए. So now let's try to see when we need to do spine surgery for scoliosis. So there are certain very definite criteria based on which we decide that okay, this patient definitely has to undergo a surgery. Now what are those criteria? If the deformity is more than 50 degrees, there is a specific method called as the Cobb method. एक specific method है Cobb method जिसे हम find out करते हैं कि कितना severe है deformity, उसको degrees दी जाती है. तो अगर वो डिग्री 50 डिग्री से ज़्यादा है तो डेफिनेटली कंपल्सरीली सर्जरी करना ज़रूरी है, जैसे इस पेशेंट के केस में है. और उसके बाद में जैसे हम देख रहे हैं तो उसका डिफॉर्मिटी हम इस तरह से करेक्ट करते हैं. What is the other need for doing deformity surgery in these patients? कोई बार लोअर बैक में अगर डिफॉर्मिटी 30 डिग्री से ज़्यादा हो तो भी पेशेंट्स को कोई बार बैक पेन हो सकता है. समटाइम्स लोअर बैक डिफॉर्मिटी इवन इफ इट डज नॉट रीच 50 डिग्रीज, इवन इफ इट जस्ट एक्सीड्स 30 डिग्रीज, it can lead to back pain as is seen in this particular case. And in these situations, particularly for the lower back, we can of course go ahead and do a surgery to relieve the patient of the back pain. What are the other reasons for which we can do or we need to do a surgery for scoliosis? कोई बार शुरुआत में deformity less than 50 degrees रहेगी, but as we observe, the deformity can increase over a period of time. जैसे इस बच्ची के केस में देखिए, 5 साल की उम्र में it is less than 50 degrees, but as we observe, over a period of time, the deformity has increased. And hence, in these kind of patients, we need to do a spine surgery for scoliosis. इसके साथ साथ there are other indicators. कोई patients जो ऐसे रहते हैं जिनको muscles development बराबर नहीं हुआ होता है, जैसे there is something called as a Duchenne's muscular dystrophy. In those patients, in addition to the muscles in the back, the muscles of the heart can also become weak. So in these situations, we don't follow these exact degrees. In these situations, if we see slight progression also, then we want to intervene early. ऐसे बच्चों में we don't wait for the deformity to increase to 50 degrees, 60 degrees, क्योंकि उसके साथ साथ हार्ट भी कमज़ोर हो जाता है. तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में we don't wait for all this 50 degrees rule or 30 degrees rule. So now that we have seen when surgery is necessary, let's see if surgery is not necessary, what do we do? Do we just leave the child alone like that, or is there any other way to try to see that the patient does not reach the stage of surgery? To ensure that, the simplest treatment is to put the child on a brace, a good, nice, well-fitting brace. Brace बराबर से बनाया जाए so that can lead to wonderful results. Depending on the severity, the child can be told to wear the brace either for full day or half day. मकसद क्या है, aim क्या है? To ensure that the deformity does not reach 50 degrees. In addition to this bracing, in very small children, we also sometimes do a plaster cast. In addition to plaster cast, what else can we do? In addition to bracing, what else can we do for the children? There are some certain exercises like swinging on the rod and things like that which can help stretch the deformity, but unfortunately uske liye we don't have very strong scientific evidence. So the only proven method right now as per the present evidence is to go for bracing. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you could understand when we do the spine surgery for scoliosis, और अगर सर्जरी ज़रूरी नहीं है तो किस तरह से ट्रीटमेंट किया जाता है. As I mentioned, this is a very dynamic field. हर 2-3 साल में, हर 2-3 महीने में कभी कभी कुछ नया नया एडवांस आ जाता है, and we will have some new technology coming up. So stay tuned. Do not forget to stay connected so that you are updated about this particular topic. If you need any appointment or if you need to connect with us, our details are all there. Thank you very much for watching again.